It's camping season at Costco, and I love it when they put the gear on sale. On this episode, we'll check out the Cascade Mountain Tech Flex Height Sling Chair. Will this be your new camping chair? Next on Mission Off-Road. What's up, everyone? I just got back from Costco and I found this chair on sale. It's camping season at Costco, so you'll see all the camping gear out. I have a couple videos regarding camping related products or car related products from Costco. Check it out if you want to see them. Anyway, this particular chair was $10 off. So, and I'm the reason I have so many camping chairs, but I just want something really comfortable and compact. I'm going to compare this chair to two other chairs that I have. One will be kind of expensive. It's a front runner chair. I think it's, yeah, I'll put the price up here. And I have a standard folding chair that you usually see at the grocery or at Walmart. And then you'll have this chair, this particular product. It's from Cascade Mountain Tech. Is called a Sling chair. And I'm really hoping this will be a chair I could comfortably sit in. And what's cool about it's small and it's kind of light, and it was on sale. So hey, I'll give it a shot. I'm gonna open it right now. There. This is lightweight, and it's compact. It's rigid, compact. Maybe the width of a sleeping bag. You can do that. So that's kind of cool. Carry other stuff. So far I like it because it's lightweight. Nice bag. Let's open it up. Instructions. Okay, so the fabric of the chair is separate from the frame. So that means it will entail some assembly. It's not just going to be fold out and use. So we'll see how quickly I can do this. I do have a chair similar to this. We'll see. Maybe just my experience with that will help me make this faster. So here's the frame. It's connected with some Velcro straps, and here's the seat itself. I mean, here's the fabric of the seat. So here's the seat, bag, frame. Okay. Let's see if they naturally pop into place. I have not really read any instructions. I just briefly looked at it. So there's like these tiny bungee cords inside. And the Velcro is running into each other. So the bungee is forcing the poles to go in their respective slots. So this frame is much bigger than the other chair that I have that's similar to it. Let's see if inserting the poles into the pockets are just as simple. So this one, there's a pocket here. Pocket up here. And pocket. Wasn't so bad. Again, lightweight, nice sturdy frame. So the next step is to sit on it. So we have our drink holder here. Very breathable mesh. Okay. Hey, that does feel comfortable. Can I think I could actually sleep on this. I love to sleep. Man, I do. This is comfortable. I don't think it's meant to be a rocking chair. But yeah, this feels pretty good. Okay, so that was the thing I just observed right now. So you're at camp and you're moving things around, you're dragging chairs to different people. You want to move this is fine. But earlier when I moved it, it came out of the slot. So it's gonna take getting used to picking it up and make sure you bring it to the right place. But yeah, so far this is, my family might even fight over this chair. It's that comfortable. It's kind of cool. Got your drink here. You can tighten, there's this thing here so you could tighten the pocket around the drink, which is nice. But I can see myself falling asleep on this chair. Now, the next thing I need to do is assemble it and put it back in its container for you. It wouldn't be a good test if I did not see how easy it is to fold. So I'm easy to remove that. Took it off. Ugh. So what I noticed, there's these holes here. I better read the instructions because I'm not sure what they're for. So after reading the documentation, it looks like you could put the feet away in those extra holes. It all depends on the terrain you're on. If you're on soft dirt or sand, the feet will just sink into the ground, and you may not want that. So you might as well just put the feet away. So remove that. Where is? Okay. So remove this guy. Collapse. 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 One concern over time, will these bungee cords that are inside the pole, will they fail? I mean, how much longer will they get cut by the poles themselves? Will they fail over time? That would be the big question. Or can you still use this even without the bungee within? Maybe it still works, So that's something to think about. I forgot. Okay. So I need to remember to wrap all the poles. Wrap it nicely. All right, so I wrapped that. And I will put it back in here. And this guy, let me see if I could just wrap it up like this. Like this. Wrap it up. I'm pretty sure I did not wrap it like in the factory, but does it zip? And I am able to zip it, and we're good. And I was able to put it back. It's cool because back in the day, a lot of these camping gear manufacturers, they made really small bags and it's like impossible to put things back in the bag. But this one has a lot of space, so you're able to put back the product within the bag, which is great. So I'm going to demonstrate assembling 2 other chairs against this chair. So on the right we have the front runner chair. It costs the most, it's the heaviest, but it has a great upright position, great for cooking, great for eating at the campsite against the table. It's my go-to chair. I have 3 of them and they fit quite nicely in all the gear I have. Again, it is my go-to chair for most of my trips. The chair on the left is your standard camping chair that you will find for roughly $10 to $15. You can find them at Walmart. I find them comfortable, but over time they will fail. The storage bag will tear, and they break at the seams, and you have to throw them away and get another one. The Cascade Mountain Tech chair takes the longest to assemble, but I would say it's the most comfortable chair out of all of these 3. It has a reclined position, so I think I will have the best rest in this chair aside from laying down in the tent. I could really see myself getting some good rest in this chair. I look forward to using it on the trail.